Hello guys and welcome back. So in this lecture, we are going to be having a lot of fun. We are going to furthermore retouch our image, especially the face, okay, with a powerful tool or a powerful feature that Photoshop gives us. So we looked at this feature also in our fundamental course, but we didn't go as far as modifying our face. Now that's the Liquefy filter. So let's go ahead and save our image. So Ctrl Shift S, that's Command Shift S on the Mac to save our image, and we want to save it as JPEG, as a JPEG image. So select JPEG and just hit save. Perfect. So saved our image. Now we want to bring in our image as a new document. So frequency separation, open. Perfect. Now we can close this one. Perfect. So now this is our image, right? This is our image and this is our background. So what we need to do now is just Ctrl J to duplicate our image, just hide our background, and what we want to do is turn our layer into a smart object. So we can do this in two ways. We can either right click here and convert to smart object, or go to filter and convert for smart filters, right? So it's the same thing. Go to filters and click on Liquefy. Perfect. Liquefy detects our image and understands that our image has a face, right? And this tool is automatically selected for us. Now this is the face tool and we have the face options here. So we have options on the right hand side and we can basically use these options to control everything we do with our tools, right? So for this face tool, we have to click on the face aware liquify. Okay, now these are the options we can modify, or we can go ahead and zoom into our image and modify them with our mouse, right? So you can click here and drag up. You can see that we are making the eyes big. You can rotate the eye, and we can basically totally modify our image. We can basically totally transform our image into something else, okay? But of course, if your aim is to achieve something that looks real, you wouldn't want to go too far with this, right? So let's just explore some of the things we can do. Now, these are the options. We have the eyes, we have the nose, we have the mouth, we have the face shape, right? So these options are classified according to the features of our face. So for the eyes, we can increase the eye size for the left eye and the right eye. So you see, this is the left eye, this is the right eye. We can make the eyes smaller if we want, okay? So we can see what we get. So this is preview, this before, this after. We can increase the height of the eyes. We can make the eyes taller or reduce the height like this. And then we can increase the width or reduce the width. So I want her to have a really small eye or really small eyes for now. Okay, so you can see what we're getting, and we can even rotate our eyes. We can tilt our eyes. This is good. So this is the look we are going for. So this is before and this is after. Wow, we've really transformed that just by the eyes. And we have the nose. We can make this nose higher or longer in the nose height, or less long or shorter. So also with the width, we increase the nose width or reduce the nose width. And we also have the smile. So under the mouth, we can make her smile better, so you can see that we are controlling her smile. We can make her frown. We can make her smile or we can make her frown. Either ways. We then have separate controls over the upper lip, okay, the upper lip or the lower lip, upper lip and lower lip. Then we have the mouth width, and the mouth height. Okay, so we then have the forehead. So it modifies our forehead, modifies our chin height. So we could make our chin higher or less high, very high, and very very low, right? So we also have the jawline. We can see we are making our jaw really big. We can make our jaw really small, right? So basically these are the settings. And finally we have the face width. We can make our face wider or less wide. So let's just zoom out to see what we turned our character to. We see that we really did a bad job here. We really messed her up. We really messed her up. We really messed it up. So let's just try to do something more decent right now. So I'm just going to cancel and let's start on a new slate. So go to filters and liquify. So I just want to achieve a slimmer look right now. So a slimmer look is what I'm going for. So I just want to make her face slimmer. So you see I've used my mouse to basically modify this, right? The face should be slimmer. Wider forehead, so higher forehead will also add to our slimmer look. So for this part, let's do this. Okay, perfect. So for the eyes or for the nose, let's see, maybe this nose will do, and let's just make the nose a little bit less wide. And for the mouth, let's make her smile a bit more, and this. Okay, so okay, perfect. So we see now that this looks realistic, right? It looks realistic, and we basically turned our subject from having a fuller face to having a really slim face. So this is before and this is after. Okay, so we can do a whole lot of variations, other variations. We can make her fatter, okay, or chubbier, not fatter, chubbier, and we could do a whole lot of things with this feature. So just go ahead and have fun, and yeah, explore all you can with this tool. So that will be it for this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye. Hey, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. We post new videos every week covering topics in the fields of graphic design and illustration, motion graphics and video, branding, and more. If you want to support us and get access to exclusive benefits such as the project files we use in our classes, a live chat with us, shoutouts, and more, consider becoming a patron on Patreon. You can join for as little as $3 a month, and the link to our Patreon page is in the description below. And if you want to take your learning to the next level, you can check out the complete course, of which this episode is a part of. And in the complete course, you get access to more than 10 hours of video lessons, project files and resources, class exercises, a Q&A section, a certificate of completion, and more. You can get the course for a special discount by using the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.